So it's that time of year again. Too hot to work, and hay fever season is in full swing. Which only means one thing. The office sneezer is in full swing. Oh, there he is, boys. Miley Cyrus, bless you. Oh, well, look who it isn't. Anthony Snopkins, bless you again. Oh, and arriving late to the party is Julia Snobbit, bless you. It doesn't matter where you are in the UK, you've got 3 to 5 seconds after sneezing and someone's going to say bless you.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, bless you. Who's that? Cheers, Em. Nobody knows what happens if you don't say bless you, because they're all too scared to break the rules. Now's our chance to find out.
You should have said bless you. Now it's through.
James! Oh God, I'm never breaking the rules again. Bless you! Bless you! Bless everyone! Bless you!